like to show you how to synthesize an old Ukrainian siren, like those old sirens in Europe that they used to have on their like the police cars, fire trucks, ambulances, you name it. First you'll have to have Audacity, doesn't matter what kind. So first click on it. Since my computer's kind of slow, Audacity will have a little loading bar thing on mine to show how much it's loading and stuff. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Sometimes if I just click cancel, it'll pop up like that. So first you'll have to go to generate, go to tone, then make sure the frequency is 435 hertz, sine, and then you can make it however long you want. In my opinion, I like to have it on 29 seconds. So now it sounds like this. So now I'm going to click duplicate, or you can just go to tracks and add new audio track like that, and then get rid of that. I like to do the new audio track. And go back to generate. We'll make sure you have this darkened out to show that it's you're doing a thing on it. So go to back to tone, and then go make sure that the frequency is on 560 hertz, same duration as the other track, so it's going to sound like this without any pulse. Like that. So now I like to click on the top track and go all the way down. And sorry about all these plugins. I have the LADSPA plugin thing. Then go to tremolo and make sure it's this thing is on the waveform type is on square. Make sure that starting phase is either on negative 180, or just 0. Wet level, the wet level I would like to have it on probably 85. And the frequency, I would like to have it on 0.8. Sounds good. And now you have it on like this. Like that. So now you need to go back to tremolo and make sure the starting phase is 180 or negative 180. I like to do 180. No, it's going to sound like this. So now you want to go and mix and render these tracks. And then I like to go and put a silence for about 9 seconds at the end, and a silence of about 9 seconds in the front. And then I like to go and duplicate this 3 times, and make sure this is on the left and this is on the right. And by the way, I am gonna make it so this has a G-verb to it. So I'm using Nick Oakman's, I hope I said that right, or Guitar Guys 1982 or something like that. I'm sorry if I didn't say it wrong. G-verb effect, like it's on the stereo G-verb video of his. So now I like to go to effect and go up to G-verb, and then make sure the track, that middle track is on the top is 105, 3.1, 0.51, 0. Darn it, hold on, I messed up. Accidentally pressed the enter button. Go back. 3.1, 0.51, 0.51, negative 70, negative 12, and negative 15. Now it pops up like that. Now go to the very bottom track, then do a G-verb on it again, except for it's going to be, the room size is 100. Reverb time is 3.0, 3.0, and then the damping is 0.50, and in bandwidth is 0.50. So now it will sound like this. I kind of like the way it echoes like that. So yeah. And then now I like to mix and render all the tracks. And then go to high pass filter. It's going to be 200. And it's going to be 6 dB. This is what guitar guy done with his synths too, I think. Not sure. And the low pass filter is 2000, and again it is 6 dB. So now it's like that. Now listen. But it still kind of has that raspiness in it. So what I like to do is go all the way up and go to amplify, and then just click it. Now it will sound like this. Kind of has the sound of like a distant Ukrainian or European I forgot what it's called, police siren or ambulance siren or something like that, or firefighter siren. So yeah, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. So, bye.